So here, if I come to the telescopes, okay, first one, suppose if you want to use one type of telescope to see the astronomical objects like moon, stars, planets, and all, okay, called as astronomical telescope. Okay, so if I come to astronomical telescope, here I am taking this is one convex lens, objective lens. Nana. Generally, we take its focal length as f naught, as usual, and this is our principal axis. And here, this is fe. See here, observe Nana. Yesterday we took for microscope, f naught is less than fe.
Yes, sir. Here F is greater than F naught.
Here yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Today we are taking f naught is greater than f.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our condition today. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
And here, astronomical telescope we are using for what purpose? To see the distant objects.
Yes, sir.
Okay, distant objects means indirectly what I am saying, object is always at infinite distance for the objective lens.
Yes, sir.
So all the times the image formed by the objective lens is at a distance of its focus. There is no second thought. This is the focus of objective lens, Anna. So u naught is infinity. So v naught equals to, I am getting exactly at f naught. Okay. So here, first of all, what is the angle made by the object taken at infinite distance means this is the angle made by the object. Am I right? Okay. This is theta O. Okay. Nana, yesterday I think you remember theta O is equals to HO by D. What we took?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because microscopes there we take the object at least distance at nearer at nearer distances.
Yes, sir.
But today we are taking the object at infinite distance.
Yes, sir.
Why we should not use this formula for telescopes? This is only for microscopes.
Microscope.
Yeah, keep in mind. Okay, and then here if I come back, this theta O in the diagram I think is equal to this angle, opposite angle. These two angles are equal. Am I right, Anand?
Yes, sir.
So this theta O, if you see on the other side, can I write if it is the height some h? Why? Because it is not the object, it is the image formed by the object. Okay. So theta O here in this case, can I write theta O is equals to h by naught, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Opposite side by adjacent side.
Yes, sir.
Tan theta naught. Okay. Again, no need to say for paraxial rays, the tan theta naught is theta naught. Okay, Nana?
Okay, sir.
So this is the theta O for telescope. Both are there on the board, Nana. Theta O is equals to how much for telescope? Theta O is equals to how much for microscope? Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Microscope వచ్చి by D వస్తుంది దీనికి F naught వస్తుంది sir.
There we are taking numerator at that is h naught. This is not h naught. This is h. So this image behaves as what?
Object for the
eyepiece. So these are the rays coming towards the eyepiece, Nana. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And suppose this is the object distance u for eyepiece ue. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
What I am saying, suppose it is less than fe, then image will be formed on the same side. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose image is formed somewhere here, and this image distance from eyepiece, suppose if I take it as VE. Okay, Nana? Then the angle made by the image theta E. Okay, can I write it as tan theta e is equals to, which is theta is equals to
I by V, V.
hi by v. Very good. That is one formula.
It's EA or something.
ve, or can I write h by ue
Yes, sir.
from
Yes,
the small triangle?
yes, sir.
Yeah, good. And here I am writing this as then magnification, angular magnification, m theta is equals to angle subtended by the image divided by angle subtended by the object. Okay. That is, can I write it as hi by v?
H by F over, sir.
Ah,
Theta.
So that's what I'm writing. Hi by ve by theta o is h by fo. Here also I write h by fo.
Yes, sir.
Both are correct enough, but I prefer this equation. Why? Because if I write this one, h get cancelled.
F by U V.
So magnification m theta equals to, I am getting fo by u. Okay, this is actually magnification, Nana. Okay, sir, ue I don't know, sir. Okay, for that, why don't I use 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f for eyepiece here.
Yes, sir.
That two object is taken on the left hand side, so minus. Image is also formed on the left hand side.
N minus.
Convex lens, focal length positive.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana? I can write here, this implies
By V equal to 1 by FE plus 1 by VE.
1 by VE is equals to, you are telling that 1 by U.
Sir, minus.
Yeah. Minus 1 by F.
Sir, minus 1 by UE plus 1 by FE, sir.
Actually, what we want? UE kada?
UE, sir.
So better instead
1
of
by UE equal to 1 by FE plus 1 by VE also, sir.
Yeah. 1 by UE is equals to 1 by
FE
plus 1 by V. Yeah, you are right. Okay.
Yes,
So in place of 1 by UE, can I substitute this equation, Nana?
yes, sir.
Then I'm getting
F,
m
F4
theta.
into 1 by FE plus 1 by VE, sir.
Yeah, good. Fo into 1 by Fe plus 1 by V.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is actually equation of what the magnification. Okay. Again, we have two conditions. Na? One, image is formed, suppose at least distance of distinct vision, near point vision. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Fo into 1 by FE plus 1 by D.
Then m theta equals to, we can write it as Fo into 1 plus Fe plus 1 by D.
Will be equal to infinity also.
Wait. Here, can I take Fe common, Nana, from these two? If I take Fe common, taken out.
1 plus Fe by FD. Fe by D.
Generally in textbooks, we see this equation now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Whereas keep in mind, final image is inverted.
Yes, sir.
So here we put minus extra. Magnification is negative. Why? Because final image is inverted image.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now second one, what you are telling? What that is
Normal adjustment.
Normal adjustment, 4-point adjustment, relaxed adjustment. In this case, what you write, Nana? VE
0.
Then you will get m theta equals to how much? VE
F4 by FE.
That's it. Since inverted, we are taking minus. Yeah, this is magnification at normal adjustment, and that is the magnification at near point adjustment.
Yes, sir.
So understood, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is what astronomical telescope. So will you remember this formula?
Yes, sir.
And last but not least, tell what is the length in this near point adjustment. L is equals to length of telescope.
UE plus FO.
Right, very good. So FO plus UE. Very good, very good. And in this case, will you tell the in the normal adjustment of telescope, FO plus
UE, sir.
UE is when the final image is formed at infinite distance.
Sir.
Here, if the final image is formed at infinite distance, where the object to be taken.
Focus.
So UE is equals to FE.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So can I write UE is equals to FE here?
Yes, sir.
So L is equals to F naught plus FE in normal adjustment. So is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Okay.
So here we want finally what? We want erect images, not inverted images. Erect image, final image. So for this, what I'm doing, as usual, like astronomical telescope, I'm taking one big convex lens of focal length, some FO. Okay. And here, as usual, I am taking a small one. This is FE. Okay, Nana? And as usual, the object is at infinite distance, and the final here the image formed by it is formed at a distance of FO. U naught is equals to F. Till here, there is no confusion, Nana. Okay. But from here, you want directly these rays should not fall on FE, Nana. That's why what I'm doing in between the Q lens and eyepiece, I'm taking one more lens, Nana. This is called as erecting lens. Okay, what is this? Erecting lens. This erecting lens, what I am doing, suppose its focal length is F, Nana. Exactly, I am placing, adjusting this distance to 2F. Means here U is equals to how much?
2F.
So, I think this condition, if object is taken at a distance of 2F, image will be formed at a distance of 2F.
Yes, sir.
Correct? See,
Correct.
the image is erected. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Here, exactly V is equals to
2F.
So, rest of the conditions same, Nana. Suppose the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. What is the magnification? Magnification equals to, already I proved, I think in the compound microscope, you can take it as M1 into M2. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Here 3 lenses I am taking into M3. But I see here M2 equals to 1 nano. Why? Because V is equals to U. Yeah, where M2 is equals to V by U if you take, that is 2F by 2F, that equals to 1. Okay.
Yes,
So M theta,
M2.
again I am getting M1 into M3. M1 into M3 means magnification of objective lens, magnification of eyepiece.
Yes, sir.
This is similar to what? Here, terrestrial telescope. Sorry, astronomical telescope.
Sir, compound, sir. Compound microscope.
In that we got the same, but here object is taken at infinite distance or some other.
Infinite, sir.
Infinite distance means this is not a microscope, not this is telescope.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
This is exactly almost identical to what the two lenses telescope. Two lenses telescope means this one, what we took previously. Two lenses telescope.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Two lenses telescope, this is nothing but what astronomical telescope.
Yes, sir.
Here also you can prove, Nana, this is equals to what? MO into ME.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can prove. If you take the theta I as HI by V.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Simple. That is just one step. HI by V. Okay. Into FO by H, kada, Nana?
Yes, sir.
This one just you write it as hi by h. Okay.
FO by U.
FO by V.
FO.
FO is what? V naught.
Yes, sir. V naught by VG.
V naught by V. Okay. This is what this is appeared like height of image by height of object for eyepiece ME. Okay. This is appeared like what? MO.
Yes, sir.
So that is simple, Nana. You can understand that. Okay. Can I go to next page?
Yes, sir.
So here, if you come back to this page, M theta is equals to MO into ME, Nana.
Yes, sir.
MO into ME is equals to means previously I got this is equals to F naught by FE into 1 plus D by FE in near point adjustment. Remember, Nana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In near point adjustment. And this is equals to just FO by FE in far point adjustment. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So these are the magnifications in near point adjustment and far point adjustment. Magnification, both are just similar to the astronomical telescope. Nana. Magnification, no difference we are finding out. Both
Yes,
telescopes have same magnification. But problem is length is changed, length of telescope. Look at here, length of telescope previously I wrote this is F naught plus VE.
Yes, sir. F naught plus FE.
This time, you are saying in the seconds.
Yes, sir.
What? This is far point adjustment. This is near point adjustment.
Sir.
But here F naught plus 2F plus 2F plus VE.
Plus 4F L equal to.
Extra here you are getting plus 4F. Understood, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Here also you will get plus 4F. This is the difference we are finding out between terrestrial telescope and astronomical telescope. Okay.
Yes. I think so.
Right. And here, why it is not moving? And here we can see this time positive or negative, none.
Positive.
Previously we got negative.
Means inverted, no arithmetic so fast.
Yeah, very good. So by this, what happened? The telescope's concept is over now. Okay. For these two objects which are at a distance of say some d nano, here they form the images on the other side. Here at a distance of f naught, these are the images I1 and I2. This is of O2 I2. This is of O1 I1 images formed. And this is the objective lens of telescope. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Here problem is the light is passing through the lens kadanana.
Yes, sir.
So if you link this one with wave optics, then obviously diffraction will be there, Nana. Okay, diffraction means this image will be appear like one bright spot like this. Yeah. And instead of point object, we are seeing a bright spot. Here also we can see one bright spot here. Okay, so the problem is if these two bright spots merge with each other like this, if they merge, then the two images are not.
Yes, sir, not clear.
If they are formed like this, just touching,
then we can see some
or formed like this with some separation, we can see them clearly. If they merge like this, then we can't see, the two images will be blurred. This concept what we are saying. So what will be the minimum angle here we are seeing just to resolve the two images here, just to resolve, just touching each other. means here the minimum condition for not getting the blurred images. Okay, na? That angle here, what you are measuring is called as resolution limit.
Okay, sir.
This is very important, particularly for mains, Nana. Okay, many times given in exam, this resolution limit concept. Okay, generally we neglect, but it is very important for mains.
Okay, sir.
You can see, if you see the previous mains questions, many questions you can find based on resolution limit.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that resolution limit mainly depends upon what he found. Number one, the diameter of the lens. Okay, means this diameter, if you take it as A, which is called as aperture length. Okay, depends upon the diameter and depends upon the wavelength of light incidenting on the lens. Okay, that resolution limit they found this theta is equals to directly proportional to lambda, inversely proportional to A, proportionality constant 1.2.
Okay, sir. Sir, wavelength of the light, sir, it depends on.
Lambda is wavelength of the light.
Okay, sir.
A is diameter. Diameter means aperture length of this lens.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and keep in mind it is measured in radians. 1.22 lambda by A in radians, not in degrees. Okay, this is the theta lambda. Now, what they ask, suppose these two objects are, of course, at large distance. That infinite distance given, suppose like in kilometers, like 10 kilometers, like that. 10 kilometers means large distance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that distance is given. Then what is the separation between the two objects if they ask? Okay,
Okay, sir.
that here we can say, look at these two opposite angles are equal or unequal.
Theta equal to D by 10.
Yeah, this one you can write it as theta is equals to D by 10. 10, that can I take it as
Theta equal to 1.222 into lambda by A.
is equals to, I write D by 10. 10 means U. Formula wise. Can I write like this, Nana? Right, good. So this is what theta is equals to D by U.
Yes, sir.
And number two, here if they ask, means the right side diagram I'm redrawing here, Nana, like this. Okay, this is right side diagram. And here theta, and you are saying that this is one circle and this is another circle.
The separation.
Separation between the two centers if they ask.
Up to theta equal to separation I1 by F4.
Right. I1, if I take it as x, separation between the centers, x by F4. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
So this is equals to x by F4. So any formula you use here to find out the resolution, Anna. Okay. But keep in mind what he is asking, whether he is asking resolution.
Images are distance or.
And one more word is resolution power also they may ask now. Resolution power is just reciprocal of resolution limit.
Okay.
So while solving the problem, what he is asking, whether he is asking the resolution limit or resolution power. Okay, resolution power means we have to take everything reciprocal. Am I right?
Reciprocal of theta.
Reciprocal of theta. A by 1.22 lambda I have to take basically.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
This is of what? Telescope or microscope?
Telescope, sir.
This is of telescope. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you take the microscope, Nana. Okay, keep in mind microscope generally we take the object at near distance or far distance, Nana?
Yes, sir.
We take the object at near distance. Okay, suppose this is one object taken on the axis, and here this is the theta what we are taking. Okay, then that theta here he is writing. This is how much, Nana? A na A by 2 na?
A by 2, sir.
A by 2. And here this is UO.
Theta equal to A by 2.
Theta is equals to A by 2 into UO. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This what he writes. Nana. And this is actually tan theta what we wrote.
Yes, sir.
Tan theta, can I write it as sine theta?
Yes, sir.
Approximately. So sine theta is equals to A by 2. Better we represent with some other letter. Better we take it as alpha. Why? Because resolution limit we represented with theta.
Yes, sir. Alpha equal to.
Better, this is better. So sine theta is equals to, I got A by 2U. So can I replace the A with 2UO sine alpha?
Yes, sir.
So the resolution limit, can I write as theta is equals to 1.22 lambda by A. A is 2 U sine alpha. This is what he says. Okay. And keep in mind, if the total object is taken in some liquid, Nana, this one previously he gave. Means suppose this is in water, total microscope is, the object is taken in water now. Okay, some liquid. Then lambda becomes lambda or lambda by mu.
Lambda by mu, sir.
Then theta is equals to, I have to write 1.2 lambda by mu into, as usual, 2 u naught sine alpha. Okay, into mu. This is in liquid, Nana. Theta dash. Previously, what he asked the question, the relation between these two, in air, in some liquid. So can I write theta dash is equals to theta by mu, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So theta dash is equal to theta by mu. This is for microscope or some other?
Microscope, sir.
This is for microscope, Nana.
So theta value will microscope, sir. 1.22 lambda by 2u.
Last one.
Yes, sir.
2u naught sine alpha into mu. Microscope in liquid. This is microscope for microscope in air.
Okay, sir.
This one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This one in air. This is for microscope in liquid.
Yes, sir.
So is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. So this is the story about what the wave optics, Nana.